Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Eto na naman ang kaibigan nyo si Joy Nakamura. And pag-usapan natin ngayon yung tungkol sa very viral na birthday party ni Bongbong Marcos. And take note guys, ang guest daw ay yung pop star na Duran Duran. Hindi Duran Duran. At may vlogger kasi na nag-post sa Facebook o sa YouTube na sinabi na punta na kayo sa sa venue kasi pera ng bayan ang pinabayad sa concert na yon. Pero ang sabi naman ng PCO na tungkol sa party na sinabi, the Presidential Communication Office said the appearance of Duran Duran, who are best known for their hits in the 90s or 80s, came as surprise to the President. Yan ang sabi. And after dining filled with official engagement, he attended a party thrown by his old friend at the hotel in Pasay, and to his surprise and appreciation, music was provided by Duran Duran. Yan ang sabi ng PCO. In a message sent later to Palace reporters, yung PCO Secretary Cesar Chavez, ang sabi niya, the party was held at no cost to the government. So, masyado nilang binaviral yung birthday party ni Bongbong Marcos. And syempre ikaw ba naman yung may birthday party ka, pupunta ka na sa venue, ang akala mo yung ganun lang, at sabi nila pagka yung mga government employee, okay lang sa kanila na yung halimbawa yung nga binigyan ka ng birthday parties, ganyan, okay lang, wag lang yung ganyan na million ang cost yung birthday gift nila sa'yo. Pero yung kasi yung sa Duran Duran, it costs million pesos. So, parang hindi pwede. Kasi mai-impeach daw si Bongbong Marcos. Pero kung sa akin lang naman, kung halimbawa bibigyan ako ng Rolex, pwede daw na hindi pwede yun kasi masyadong mahal. Babalik ko, ganun daw. O kaya mga Lexus, ganyan, yung mga kahit na anong bagay bibigyan nila as a birthday gift, pwede daw. Paano naman yung pop star? Alangan naman na kumakanta na sila doon, nagpe-perform na sila, at hindi mo alam. Yun, na-surprise ka nga. Alangan naman sasabihin mo na, uy, balik nyo na sila kung saan man sila galing kasi may impits ako niyan, hindi naman siguro pwede ng ganon. So, yun ang questionable daw kay Bongbong Marcos dahil daw sa special guest niya na Duran Duran. So, masyado nilang question, and they make it a big deal kasi yung birthday party niya daw, ba't ganon daw kabongga na ganon. Meron pa lang ganon. Bakit nung si Duterte daw sabi daw ni Duterte, wala akong magagawa kasi may mga mayayaman akong mga friends. Pagdating para ni Bongbong Marcos, may impeach siya. Bakit? Dahil si Bongbong Marcos hindi nagsasalita. Si Duterte marunong siyang sumagot. Parang hindi naman yata fair kasi lahat na lang ng mga naibibigay kay Bongbong Marcos, hindi pwede. Bakit si Bongbong Marcos mayaman naman siya? Yung sasabihin nila na yung pinamimigay kasi pumunta siya kung saan namimigay ng mga pansaka, ganyan. Yung iba kung ano-ano na lang na binigay kay Bongbong Marcos o binigay sa mga tao, binigay ni Bongbong Marcos sa mga tao. Yung mga ano, hindi pwede dahil yun nga, pera daw ng bayan. Bakit si Bongbong Marcos mayaman sila? Kahit nga noon daw, nung hindi pa sila nasa government, mayaman na sila dati. So, meron naman statement na binigay yung PCO na sinasabi, the president spent his birthday as just another busy day in the office, the same dedication to his job that has marked his presidency. He traveled hundreds of kilometers to grant farmers a condonation of their death and gifted them with a new financing program that will boost fair yield and farmers' incomes. He ordered the payment of the bills incurred but that day by qualified patients in third level DOH hospital. He opened the gates of Malacanang where food both awaited people from all walk of life. No came from near and far to greet him a happy birthday. So, inopen niya yung gate ng Malacanang sa mga, hindi yung mga mayayaman doon, kundi yung mga tao. No yellow, no red, no green. Everybody's welcome. So, nakita ko yung video na hindi mo masasabing mga mayayaman yung mga pumunta sa Malacanang for his birthday. Hindi yung kagaya lang natin na middle class. So, hindi nila pinili. Basta, inopen nila yung gate na Malacanang and whoever wants to go, it's open to the public. Ganon. So, the president celebrated his birthday with his signature compassion for the needy and the sick and his deep appreciation for the farmers who feed the nation. After a tiring day filled with official engagement, he attended a party thrown by his old friends at a hotel in Pasay, and to his surprise and appreciation, music was provided by Duran Duran. I think he deserved, but the only question is, the people's question, the anti-government question is, it's a bribe or something like that, but you cannot blame him if his friend give him a surprise party. Unfortunately, they give him lavish surprise by giving him a surprise pop star, Duran Duran. Hindi mas surprise. Narinig ka pa nga nung sabi niya na sinabi daw ni Bongbong Marcos nung nasa hotel na sila, na sabi, kasi kumakanta na daw yung mga Duran Duran, at sabi daw na, either meron Duran Duran song na kinakanta na sabi daw, oh, I like that song, parang ganon. Tapos nung nag-ano na daw, di tuloy-tuloy siguro, tuloy-tuloy yung song, and sabi na, I look familiar that song, parang ganon na narinig niya. So, of course, parang nakikita ko parang nakikita ko yung excitement ni Bongbong Marcos na makarinig. Kasi minsan nakita ko rin sa sa YouTube yung kumakanta siya ng yung Beatles na Hey Jude, and parang mula sa puso niya yung pagkanta niya, talagang gustong gusto niya. So, para naman sa mga anti-Marcos, give him some privacy or give him some credit sa mga ginagawa niya. Kasi parang wala ba siyang karapatang mag-rest or mag-enjoy even his own birthday. meron naman siguro kahit naman sinong presidente, meron siyang karapatan na mag-celebrate ng birthday. But unfortunately, yung mga friend niya, di rin natin alam kung anong pinaplano yung mga friend niya, or it's just a gift for him, or hindi natin alam kung meron silang yung bang parang kinihinging pabor. We don't know. But for Bongbong Marcos is we should wish him a happy birthday and let him enjoy his birthday, not to give him more stress for giving him a lot of question and criticism na bakit nag-birthday siya ng ganon, o bakit binigyan siya ng ganong klaseng birthday celebration. Anybody deserve, guys, na kahit naman sino, but we're not supposed to criticize him. It's not his fault. It's his friend's fault. And you cannot just leave the venue while the Duran Duran is singing. It's kind of disrespect and out of manners. Ganun ba yung mga Pilipino ngayon, na habang kumakanta ka tapos ihuwanan mo na lang dahil hindi pwede kasi bawal. Parang hindi naman pwede. So leave Bongbong Marcos alone and let him enjoy his birthday. That's all I can say. So yun, guys, and hanggang sa susunod ulit, may mga marites na naman tayo, and hopefully makapag-live ulit tayo. And don't forget to share and like, and please subscribe my channel. And thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Take care, guys. Bye.